Where there seem many, there are a few in comparison. Yet the total number of the actual is calculated in many millions. By looking at the picture closely, you will see that these nebulae, or their suns, are not disks, but globular and round, flattened at the poles, just as our Earth is flattened. In looking at them, you are only observing the great flattened polar area. The stupendous mass of the great cosmic sun exerts so profound an effect upon light rays that they are reflected completely around the cosmos. They are also definitely affected and reflected by coming in contrast with the atomic or cosmic rays, and their particles are thrown out of place to such an extent that thousands of images of planets and stars are reflected from one collection. Thus, thousands of planets and stars appear to be misplaced, and many more thousands of the images are again reflected. We look through the universe, the images show both sides, and we see the light that was released hundreds of millions of years before, which has made the complete round of the cosmos. Thus, we get two images instead of one. One image is of the planet as it was hundreds of thousands of years ago, while the other is as it was hundreds of millions of years ago. This follows through the whole great cosmic order. In many instances, we are actually looking at the great past, and we can also see into the future. By the same means, there is an invisible connection, like the thought or heart impulse amplified billions of cycles through which spiritual orders go forth, that controls all of the universes. These great throbbing impulses or heart throbs go out through the intelligence which pervades the aqueous that surrounds the cosmos with its spiritual counterpart. It is these gigantic heart throbs that send the life currents into every atom of the complete cosmos and keep them moving in perfect order and rhythm. In this infinite cosmos vastness, there can be no sick or discordant cells, as one sick or discordant cell would throw all out of unison. Then for a time, chaos would result. This also pertains to the human organism when disturbed by discordant thought. It was from the central control that the term Godhead was evolved. The heartbeat of the human unit corresponds to this heart throb, although in miniature.